Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to start with a very important topic, and that is E9 initiative. This E9 initiative has been in news lately, so that is why we are going to discuss it holistically from both prelims and mains perspective. Now, before we move further with the E9 initiative, you should know that you have to make simultaneous notes in the class with me. If you make simultaneous notes, what happens is that when you revise, the topics become all the more clearer in your head, right? And it becomes all the more easy to revise it efficiently. Okay, so that is why making simultaneous notes is important. Also, this class's PDF will be uploaded on our Telegram channel, that is Simplifying UPSC with Ease. तो द लिंक इज ऑल्सो गिवन बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक भी दिया हुआ है, तो वहां पर आपको क्लास का पीडीएफ भी मिल जाएगा. एक बार लेक्चर आप पूरा देख लेते हो उसके बाद. ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास विदाउट एनी डिले. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस लेक्चर. Now before we start, here's a small announcement for all of you. शुरू करने से पहले एक छोटी सी announcement है. Unacademy has launched Ultimate Surprise, wherein they are going to provide 20 books created by best UPSC experts, which will guarantee 100% syllabus completion. These are highly structured books, which also include previous year questions, and they are updated with current affairs. And these books for your UPSC CSE preparation will be delivered at your home steps if you take 1 year and onward सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑन अनअकैडमी प्लस. ये किताबें आपको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट डिलीवर की जाएंगी अगर आप अनअकैडमी प्लस पर 1 साल या उससे ऊपर का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो, दैट टू बिफोर April 14, 2021. The links of all the courses and the batches that we have launched on Unacademy are given below in the description box. You can take your subscription today and get 10% discount if you use code ARPITA10. अगर आप ये कोड यूज करते हो तो आपको डायरेक्टली 10% डिस्काउंट भी मिल जाएगा आपके प्लस के सब्सक्रिप्शन पर. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई दिस टॉपिक हैज बीन इन न्यूज. So there is a consultation meeting of education ministers of E9 countries on the E9 initiative that is going to be held this month. इस महीने एक कंसल्टेशन मीटिंग हुई है एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर्स की E9 कंट्रीज की, राइट, ऑन द E9 इनिशिएटिव. सो व्हाट आर द E9 कंट्रीज? दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर प्रीलिम्स. We have Bangladesh, we have Brazil, China, Egypt, India, Indonesia, we have Mexico, Nigeria and Pakistan. These are the E9 countries who are going to participate in the E9 initiative. And the consultation, this kind of meeting, it is the first of a three-phased process to co-create. Co-create means together create an initiative on digital learning and skills targeting marginalized children and youth, especially the girls. Right. So here this meeting is going to focus more on girls. They are going to target on children, the youth, the marginalized children and youth, जिनको एजुकेशन नहीं अफोर्ड कर पाते हैं या नहीं एक्सेस कर पाते हैं, डिजिटल लर्निंग को नहीं एक्सेस कर पा रहे हैं, स्किल ट्रेनिंग में नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, उन ग्रुप्स को टारगेट किया जाएगा इस कंसल्टेशन मीटिंग के द्वारा. And Minister of Education in India addressed the consultation meeting of education ministers of E9 countries on the E9 initiative, and it's a part of our Sustainable Development Goal number 4. Sustainable Development Goal number 4 focuses on quality education. ये जो SDG 4 है ये quality education पे focus करता है, जो आपको ध्यान में रखना है. Okay, so we know that E9 countries are B square, that is Bangladesh and Brazil, B square, China and Egypt, China और Egypt हो जाता है, then I square, that is India and Indonesia, then we have Mexico, Nigeria and P for Pakistan. India Pakistan तो यही है इस मीटिंग में, ये आपको याद रखना है, India and Pakistan are there. Then we have India's neighboring country Bangladesh over here, and we have Brazil and China, we have Egypt, इंडोनेशिया एंड मेक्सिको एंड नाइजीरिया. इस तरीके से आपको ग्रुप्स में याद करना है. इंडिया पाकिस्तान, देन वी हैव ब्राजील, बांग्लादेश, चाइना, इजिप्ट, इंडोनेशिया, नाइजीरिया एंड वी हैव मेक्सिको. ओके, ये पॉइंट्स आपको याद रखने हैं. व्हाट इज द एम इन ऑर्डर टू फुलफिल द सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल नंबर 4, which focuses on quality education, to support the teachers, to invest in the skills or skill training, provide skill training, okay, and also to bridge the digital divide. Okay, So what will be the benefit of this initiative? This initiative will benefit the countries in order to create opportunities, right, globally, which will focus on skill training, which will focus on quality education, which will focus on bridging or removing the gap in the digital learning system between the people, between the students. Okay, so theme of the meeting will be scaling up digital learning to accelerate progress towards sustainable development goal number 4. Scaling up, increasing the digital learning to increase the progress towards achieving our sustainable development goal, that is quality education. Okay, point clear हो गया. Now in three phases this particular initiative is conducted. The first phase is consultation. The first phase is discussion. The initiative will aim to accelerate recovery and advance the Sustainable Development Goal 4 agenda by dividing rapid change in the education system. Okay, point clear. So it will support the teachers, it will invest in skills, and it will narrow the digital divide. You have to remember this: supporting teachers, narrowing the digital divide, and investing in the skills. So when we talk about E9 partnership, it was launched in 1993. This is important for prelims. कब launch हुआ था ये E9 partnership? ये launch हुआ था 1993 में at UNESCO's Education for All Summit, which was conducted in New Delhi. And the purpose is to achieve the goals of UNESCO's Education for All initiative, that is achieve the Sustainable Development Goal number 4, that is providing quality education. Okay, so this was all about the E9 initiative that we discussed today. ये था आपका E9 initiative जो हमने आज डिस्कस किया है. I hope you understood it. Now if you have any doubts related to the E9 initiative, let me know in the comment section. ठीक है, मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा अगर आपका कोई भी डाउट है E9 इनिशिएटिव को लेकर. ठीक है, सो ऑन दिस नोट वी आर रैपिंग अप द क्लास. थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दिस सेशन.